Yes. Hello, lovely classroom. Mr. G reporting live from Golden Valley, Minnesota. Yes. So, I'm just testing this out. I know you guys do kind of miss my face. Yes, and my lovely voice. So, I did not want to deprive you of that over the next few weeks. And I'm going to just kind of test out what it's like to deliver a lesson from a computer. And I think we could actually do a pretty good job because there's less talking in the background and I can just hear my own lovely voice. And I can also call on students without them knowing it and give them little shout outs. So my first shout out will go to Fred because he was probably on time to class today, even though there's no class. Okay, so we were supposed to wrap up our logo project, which looked very promising, and we might actually finish it when we come back because you guys were really into it, which makes me very happy as a teacher. But here's a sneak peek of what is to come. Our next unit is called quadratics. And as you can see, the warm-up says, what do these four images have in common? Well, let's see. Tasana, do you know? Okay. Dre, do you know? I know who knows. Rooster knows. Rooster, what'd you say? Well, this image right here, I wish I could have a bigger pointer, is like upside down, and the other three are right side up. Okay, any other thoughts? Let's see. Also, Ricky, the goat. Yes, Ricky. Well, this rainbow has multicolors and the other ones don't. Well, the bridge kind of does, but I see your point, Ricky. Nice. What do they have in common? Donovan. Yes, Donovan. Well, they all kind of make that shape with a U. Does anyone know what we call that U shape? Jalen? Yes, it's called a parabola. Damn, how'd you know that, Jalen? I learned this last year. Great. Okay, moving on. Okay, so just a sneak peek of things that actually form parabolas. Everyone does it. They shoot or throw up balls or objects or shoot basketballs. That is a classic parabola. So, our x-axis here is time. Our y-axis is height. If you throw a basketball in the air, straight up, and comes down, what happens to the height? The height goes up, and then the height goes down. But does it look like that? No, because how much time has passed? No time. So, really, what we're going to see is when you graph a basketball throwing up and down, it's going to go up as time's passing, up as time's passing, and down as time's passing. And just what we were going to do is we're going to have a famous YouTube star help us introduce quadratics. This is like, and here it is. That YouTube star is me. A fellow YouTube star as another YouTube star. And as you can see, I was a little bit fatter back then. And I'm throwing the ball up in the air, and we're just going to check to see, make sure this table corresponds. Basically it does, right? I throw the ball up in the air, I look like an idiot, and then we graph this table here, graph another video there, ask you, what shape do you think this graph is going to make? And then we graph it, and guess what? It made a parabola! How cool is that? Then we can look at some critical points. Vertex is your maximum right here. The roots, or x-intercepts, is where it crosses the x-axis right here. The y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis right here. The axis of symmetry goes down the middle. And the scale factor is how stretched out it is. Well, guys, it's been a pleasure talking to you. I miss you all dearly. Even Rooster. No, everyone, I really do. I'm sure you probably think I'm stupid. I hope you're laughing right now. Everyone needs a smile. So I also look forward to releasing more videos, maybe not math content related, on my new YouTube channel, Justin Goldstein, through the MPLS account. I might have some custom beats, raps, maybe videos of me throwing sports balls, and I don't know, stuff to just make us happy. So I look forward to seeing you all soon and delivering these lessons in person. Take care, stay safe, and adios.